description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one from South Korea for the US market. This is Paldo Volcano Chicken Curry, found at the local grocery outlet, Bargain Market. Volcano Curry. $2.99 for a 4-pack. That's pretty freaking good. This is on Amazon right now for like 15 bucks a pack. Or multi-pack, that is. Multi-pack. Okay. Come on. I am definitely under a time constraint here, folks. I mean, really. Here we go. Alright, so. There we go. Today is a day today where I will sample this. I'm not going to do a review of it. I mean, I'm going to do a review of it, but I'm not going to do a mukbang. I never have time to do them anymore, it seems like. It's like my wife goes on break in 15 minutes, and then I got to get my kid off the bus in an hour 45. So like, or actually an hour and a half. So, and then I got to get their lunch ready beforehand. I got to make my wife her lunch. And it's just like, if I do my reviews right early, it works out for the best. For the best. So there you go. Yeah, so on the last episode I was talking, I think it was the last episode, I was talking about dumpsters. When I was doing a prison ramen review that was donated. Thank you very much again. And so I don't know that they didn't pick up our trash. I'm pretty sure they didn't get our recycling for the apartments I live in. But something happened with the compactor. And there's this liquid that's leaked out of the compactor all over the street next to it. Oh my God, it smells so bad. I mean, it's hideous. It's like run and hide stinky. It's that bad. It is that bad. And so that's a thing. But they said they know. There was like a email blast that went out. It was a blast! And said, we are aware of the situation with the leaking compactor. I'm sure they got a bunch of people like to email when they have something to bitch about. But sometimes they won't. Like, in the mailroom, there were no lights at one point for quite a while. And at the top of the stairs here, right next to our door, there was no light there either. And it's like, I learned one time after it wasn't, like, it didn't just get, like, magically replaced. Nobody did anything about it. So I decided I have to be the guy who does something about it. And you should be that guy too, or gal. Because people tend to like, oh, yeah, that needs to get done. Somebody else will do it. Somebody else will do it. Somebody else will do it. So it's like, if the light is out in the mailroom, I call the office and I tell them. If the light is out on our stairs, I call the office and I tell them. And it gets fixed. Nobody else will do it. They're all lazy scumbags. And I think they think, oh, well, they'll get to that. They'll realize the light is out. It's like, no, they won't. They're all at home. So, yeah. If something doesn't work and you need to get somebody to fix it, so get somebody to fix it. It's that simple. And I'll tell you what, that's how you make America great again. Ugh. Okay, now we add back in half cup liquid. I know, but it's gonna dilute it. Dude, that's what it says. It's supposed to be a little saucy. Little sauce. I like mine dry. Oh, okay, dude. There's always that guy. Not that spicy. I like mine dry. I don't add any water, dilutes it. Yeah, it I'm not kidding. I've seen so much of this BS macho man crap about spiciness. I've eaten some of the spice. I've eaten actually the spiciest instant noodle ever made. Was it an enduro challenge? Yeah, it was hard. Was it spicy? Yeah, it was. Did I enjoy it? It tasted good, but boy, it really cleaned my clock. It was painful, it was violent. Yeah, it really did a number on me. So, would I do it like on the reg? No. Was it an interesting experience? Oh yeah. So was the pain. Oh, I'm good. All right. So this should be, as I recall, kind of Bulldogian. And originally, this was Volcano Curry Kokomyun. It has that smell. I think this is just going to be violent. I was thinking about doing a mukbang today. I just don't have time. It could happen. Although the last couple times I've been like, yeah, I could do that. I never do. Alright, so here we go. And the problem with this one, and it's still the problem with this one, it's Volcano Curry. To me, it doesn't taste like curry at all. Maybe like the littlest hint of it, but I don't know. I really wish it were. Whew. It's definitely got the kick. It's hot and spicy. If you like hot and spicy, you will love this. I'm going to tell you that right now. I just did. I told you. Okay. Now we are going to add things. Yeah, but I miss doing mukbang, honestly, because it's kind of fun. I mean, it was a 4-pack. I mean, I can definitely do a mukbang of this if I want. It's pretty hot. I think I don't want. Oh, come on. Bro. Okay. Not the perfect egg today. I had to use the same pan that I prepped Chinese, no, that I made this chicken in. That's right. And the chicken worked out well because I'll use a couple pieces of chicken on this. And then I will use the rest for my wife's lunchy lunch. Think of that. A little more. That's too much on the egg. I will have to Photoshop some of that out. But yeah, there you go. And I have 8 minutes to spare. Look at me go, ladies and gentlemen. I am rocking and rolling on this Monday, July 20th, 2025. 21st, rather. That's it for me. Thanks for watching. There will be more to come. I've got a decent amount of noodles right now, and I got some good news this morning, so I should be getting some more noodles. I've got some coming from, I think it's Thailand, from a bunch of sources. So, yeah, thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Don't forget, you can help out the show by joining my Patreon, link in description. And, yeah. All right. If it's your Monday, have a good week. If it's your Friday, rock the weekend. Have a good one. Bye-bye.